Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, January 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I actually still think we're going to go down, probably make a nice little downtrend for a wave C most likely, which would most likely bring us all the way down to the 100% Fibonacci extension right around the 1.13 area. But I mean, this could possibly be a 1, a 2, and a 3 also. And if that's the case, it would probably go all the way down to the 161.8, which would put us someplace around the 0.97 area to complete a wave 3. I believe it's more likely that it will make a wave C, especially looking at correlated dollar pairs. So going down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we definitely have been going up pretty strong, but I still think that move up is a correction to this move down, probably like a 1 and a 2. I think eventually it's going to end the correction and continue back down for a big wave 3, probably a 1, 2, 3 of wave C based on the higher time frames. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we still got our Fibonacci retracement on this move up right here. We have definitely respected the 78% level pretty nicely so far. Now, this could possibly be an ABC, but it actually looks more likely that this is going to make some sort of like maybe something like that. And maybe this will be an ABC, but it's actually going to be like an ABC of A, three ways down for a B, and then a wave C, like maybe like a flat pattern or something like that, before it actually does end up continuing the downtrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we got a few things going on here. First of all, we got a Fibonacci retracement on this last push up, and I got my Fibonacci extension measuring this wave projected out the top of this wave because this is either an A or a 1, this is either a B or a 2. We should either be in a 3 or a C now. If it really is a wave C, then the wave C would normally go down to about 100% Fibonacci extension, maybe like that. If it's a wave 3, then that potentially would keep on going down, maybe 2 and beyond the 161.8. So at this point, I definitely would be looking for sorts in a downtrend for sure. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, 1 hour time frame, this move up is very impulsive, and this move down does look a little corrective. So, I mean, maybe it will go up and make a proper ABC correction like that. But I think at this point, we probably should primarily be looking for sorts because I think it's probably more likely that it will make its way down to the 100% Fibonacci extension, which is pretty close to the 61% Fibonacci retracement, before we actually get a big bounce to the upside. And if we do get a big bounce to the upside at one of these fib levels, then that's pretty much going to prove to me that it is a wave C and that we need to start looking for longs again for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.